Hello guys, Caleb here with another video. What I've got today is a fix for Need for Speed Rivals. If you have an HP computer, you probably have this problem where the sound on the game doesn't work. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'll just show you that there is no sound on this. So as you can see, there is no sound, which was really frustrating because looks like a brilliant game, but I couldn't play it because there was no sound. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now there'll be two links in the description. One will be for Mega and one will be where I originally got the file. Now if you want to get the file easier, go on the Mega link, because if you go on the other link you need to make an account to download the file. So I'll put it up on Mega if you want to go on there. Once you've downloaded the file, what you want to do is double click on it. It will be a text file and it will have change the file path here, which will be in the thing, in the notepad file. You just want to delete the stuff that's below that, not this stuff here, just the stuff that was there. Then what you want to do is go into your Need for Speed Rivals folder where the application is stored. Hold down Shift and right click. It's important you hold down Shift while you do this, otherwise it won't come up with copy as path. So once you've done that, it will come up with copy as path. Just click on that and it will copy it, then paste. So this is where this bat file, or soon to be bat file, will run the game with. So now what you want to do to make it a bat file is click Save As and copy just okay, so now what you want to do is rename the file, delete what was there and go caps lock all of this, NSF 14 FIX. Oops, sorry, that's wrong. NFS, Need for Speed, and then take off caps lock, .bat. Make sure the BAT is in lowercase, otherwise this will not work. So save the file wherever you want. I'm going to save it on the desktop, but I've already done this, so I don't need to save it. Don't save. So now it should come up on your desktop, or whether I've just made a shortcut from where I've put the file. Just double click, go yes,